Welcome back, students and YouTubers. Today we're doing a narrated speed oil painting in Procreate. So in class, we took a 12 by 18 sheet of paper and we folded it 5 times and made these creases. Then we took a Sharpie and outlined our creases, and then we sketched in our Picasso style portrait. And in Procreate, I decided I didn't like some of those features, so I adjusted them slightly here and there. So that's why you're going to see a difference in the original photo I had there and the final work. So there, I'm doing those final touches on those adjustments. So right now you should be thinking about your color scheme. In class, I had my students choose mostly analogous or complementary color schemes, and you're going to stick with those. I chose purple, blue, and green, and so I'm applying those colors dark to light, and I'm not blending them until the very end. So I'm just laying down the colors. I'm trying to put some space between the blues and the purples using different shades. On the left side of the face, it's going to be darker, so I'm going to have more darks, and on the right side, I'm having more lights. I'm adding greens, blues, whites, even a little bit of red, just so I can blend that into a shade. Trying to have a little bit of value behind the object, like the ears and the nose. I put the darker parts of the outside around behind the face to make the face feel like it had a shadow, to give it more depth. I also used the values on the left side of the face being darker and the right side of the face being brighter to also further that sense of depth. Have a little highlight on the bridge of the nose, the nostril, the earlobe. So basically, I'm just blending now. I'm generally blending from the dark to light, but sometimes I'll go from light to dark. So probably about half and half, depending on what I'm trying to do. So I'm using generally light to medium pressure on my blending, just trying to get it to go in the right direction and not, if you push too hard, you're gonna peel oil off the paper, or you're gonna make it really muddy. And I'm trying to control my pressure using my Apple Pencil, just like you would control the pressure using your physical pastel. So I'm trying to get that nice smooth gradation on my values. Squinting my eyes occasionally, checking out my lights and my darks, and just continuing the process. So one of the benefits with going digital is I can change colors later in post-processing, but basically I approach this the same way I would physical painting, except my fingers aren't dirty. So hopefully students, you guys will enjoy this speed paint and get some ideas on how to approach it and see the whole process much quicker and be encouraged. At the very end of this, I did add a blending layer and added a texture to my image, so in a few seconds here you should see the image look a little darker and I have a paper appearance. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate that. Hopefully this is something you enjoy in class. I really had fun teaching this lesson. Take care, guys.